Can you sue for damages without proving negligence or liability? Breaking news in personal injury law. A question that many people are asking right now is whether you can sue for damages without proving negligence or liability. This topic has gained attention recently as more individuals seek clarity on their rights after injuries. If you have been injured and are unsure about your options, you are not alone. Let's break down what you need to know. In personal injury cases, the general rule is that you must prove that the other party was negligent or legally responsible for your injury. This means you have to show that they owed you a duty of care, breached that duty, and caused your injury. You also need to demonstrate that this resulted in damages, such as medical expenses or lost wages. For example, in burn injury cases, you would need to establish the defendant's duty, breach, causation, and damages to succeed in a lawsuit. However, there are exceptions to this rule that allow you to seek compensation without proving fault. One common exception is workers' compensation claims. These claims are designed to provide benefits to employees injured on the job, regardless of who caused the injury. Workers' compensation typically covers medical bills and lost wages through an administrative process. This means you do not need to prove that your employer or another party was negligent. Another exception involves strict liability claims, which often relate to defective products or inherently dangerous activities. In these situations, the injured party does not have to prove negligence but must show that the product or activity caused the injury. This legal principle shifts the burden to the defendant to ensure safety. While most personal injury lawsuits requiring proving negligence or liability, certain claims like workers' compensation or strict liability cases allow you to sue for damages without establishing fault. Understanding the type of claim you have and the applicable laws is essential to determine whether proving negligence is necessary in your situation. If you are navigating a personal injury case, consider consulting with a legal professional to understand your rights and options.